TravelShopDo presents Ali and Myra's environmentally friendly gourmet seafood pasta.
This is so good.
We paired our pasta with a delicious white wine from New Zealand. We save money and help protect the environment by using uneaten food we had languishing in our freezer and in our pantry and turn it into a gourmet seafood pasta dish. Here's how we did it.
Hi, I'm Ali,
Hi, I'm Myra.
and this is
Travel
Travel
Shop
Shop
Do.
Do.
This is a fairly quick, simple recipe which could also work for any occasion, including special ones, and is guaranteed to satisfy. The ingredients: olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We use a box of fettuccine we found in our pantry. We also make our garlic paste, and that's what we used. Pantry found Italian seasoning. One large sized onion. To add a little kick, we use some crushed red pepper. We had some red snapper, some bay scallops, and some shrimp that we found in our freezer. Mix it all with vodka sauce and garnish it with Parmesan cheese. Now, to cook the pasta, bring 4 to 6 quarts of water to a rolling boil. You want to add some olive oil and some salt to taste. Then add the contents of the package to the boiling water and return to a boil. For an authentic al dente pasta, boil uncovered, stirring occasionally for about 9 to 10 minutes. To cook the ingredients, heat some olive oil in a large skillet and then add some garlic, some salt, and some fresh ground pepper. You can also add some onions and Italian seasoning. These were all ingredients that we had in our pantry. For a little bit of a kick, we added some red crushed pepper. Then we added the white fish. In this case, we had some red snapper pieces. You want to cook them first. It's the longest to cook. You want to cook it over medium-high heat until golden brown. Then we added some scallops, and we let those cook for about 2 minutes. Finally, we added the shrimp. We cooked the shrimp until they just turned pink for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want to add those last because you don't want to overcook it. Believe me, it's very easy to do. Let it simmer. Then add the vodka sauce, which is what we had in our pantry. Mix very well. And let it simmer for another 2 minutes. To put it all together, drain the pasta and then add it to the cooked seafood sauce mix. You want to stir it to coat it with the rest of the ingredients. Mix it all together, then add some Parmesan cheese flakes, and voila, it's ready to serve. To make our environmentally friendly gourmet seafood pasta shine to its fullest potential, we elevated it by pairing it with an affordable, budget-friendly white wine that will also satisfy your palate. We selected White Heaven Sauvignon Blanc. This is a delectable, lean white wine from the Marlborough region in New Zealand. And now, a TravelShopDo wine tip from Myra, a resident wine connoisseur. Lean to middleweight white wines are the way to go for most seafood-based pastas. And now that we have our wine, our sparkling water, and our environmentally friendly gourmet seafood pasta, let's see what is the verdict.
Spicy, al dente, and it's just a nice, easy pasta dish. Thank you, baby. Oh, you're eating.
You're welcome.
So that's it. If you liked our video,
Please like
share.
and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.